It's very interesting to, kind of see the world beneath your feet in an entirely different light. My camera that I usually shoot with is hooked up to an adapter that allows us to put it into the microscope. All I need is one thing, but if it's something that's kind of wet, just kind of dab it on the slide. So I've got some gloves for you here. I'm photographing something like hummus, and I don't like that it's white. I'll add a drop of food coloring because it's all about capturing images. It's not a scientific pursuit. Ah, there we go. That's far more interesting. Kind of looks like some kind of creatures. Kind of puts things in a different perspective. That's a nice one.
You want to go fly?